Hi, just a quick one regarding scheduling an AutoHotkey script to run in the future. I found a better way than I had shown you before, which is to create a batch file. This doesn't require you to take any additional steps other than scheduling the task itself. So I'm going to run this script that you see here, which is saved in this folder. And if you go to Start, Task Scheduler, then you can bring up the Task Scheduler where you can click the Create Basic Task button, give it a name, and then go to One Time. Obviously you can choose other options as well, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it run a little longer than a minute than now, and go to Start a Program, and then you browse. And when you browse, what you want to do is you go to the folder where your AutoHotkey is saved and select this file, autohotkey.exe, and you're running that file executable, and you're going to pass an argument, and the argument that you're passing is this script path, and make sure to wrap it in quotation marks. Now if I hit next and finish, my task is created. My task is right here, and now it's 17 minutes past, so I'm just gonna wait until it hits 18 minutes past and see if it's going to run. And when it runs, it's going to show me a message box that says hello. So let me just snap that to the right and wait. There you go. So the message box has run, which means the script has successfully run. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.